What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm super excited to be doing a cleaning video. I feel like it's been a minute because we were on vacation, and then after that we're still like getting settled in. So today I am cleaning up downstairs. I'm tidying up. We had a huge mess in the kitchen, so we're just doing some dusting, some basic cleaning stuff like that.
I'm not pretending. I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad.
So right now I'm just cleaning up the living room. I'm dusting it, I'm sweeping it, all of that good stuff, because we had been gone and it really needed it. There was dust everywhere, dog hair everywhere, you know the routine.
It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care. I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really.
So right now I'm going to be using this Method glass cleaner and just cleaning off my little entertainment center here. And then this candle I got from Bath & Body Works. It smells amazing. I love it. I'm going to start burning it more when it gets closer to the holidays or closer to Christmas. But right now I've been using all of my fall candles. And then a lot of times you guys ask me about my microfiber towels, and I do have them listed in my Amazon favorites, and that link is down below, and it has like the microfiber towels and a lot of other products that I use throughout my house, all right there for you to check out if you want to.
Funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman.
Let me know down below, you guys, if you're excited about Christmas, Christmas decor, Christmas, the holiday season of Christmas, all of that good stuff. Let me know down below, and let me know what your favorite thing about it is. The presents, the dinners, everything. I want to know. I'm so excited to start decorating for the Christmas season. And then these mats here, I actually got these mats from the Dollar Tree, and that's what we use whenever Ava's doing any kind of activities on the table. They're only $1, and they have like different characters and everything, so they're super fun and affordable, and they help lessen the mess.
I can see what we are, don't know where we belong. Wanna know what you're thinking, wanna know if something's missing. Started stories before, but they ended up short. Get me up to higher places, want you to feel my pages. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we from now or is...
So right now I am using this Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. It's in the scent peppermint, and I actually have a special offer for you guys down below in the description box through Grove Collaborative, and you can actually get all of these items here for free if you just go to their site and you spend $20. So if you don't know what Grove Collaborative is, they have a lot of different products. They're all non-toxic and natural, and they have anything from your household items to your hygiene, so everything you can think of. So let me know if you guys have tried these products, or if you use my link down below. Let me know later what scent you got and how you're liking it, because there's a couple of them I haven't tried, and I want to know your opinions.
Should my heart skip a beat, wanna feel something deep? Do I really need your saving? You're the one on time I've wasted. Now the story is new. chapter.
So right now, since I'm done cleaning the dishes, I like to go ahead and clean out my sink with soap and water. If it's early in the day, I just use soap and water. If it's in the evening, I usually use a product, like a stainless steel product. But right now I'm just using some soapy water and kind of cleaning and disinfecting the sink.
Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story?
So what I like to do is change out my little dish mat, and I have a couple of them. I get them from Amazon. I just bought a new one, and I will put that one out soon, but I am putting the marble one out. It's super cute. And I also like to have my essential oils going throughout the house. They just bring like a nice peace, calming feeling in our home and a great smell. So I am using essential oils through Simply Earth. And Simply Earth is actually a company that I used to get my oils from back in the day. And so now I am buying more from them, and I'm really excited because they have good quality essential oils. You don't have to be afraid of what you are putting into your home or on your body or anything like that. So this was Halloween, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill the Halloween bowl. And I realized as I filled it up, well, for one of the bags were already open, and somebody ate half the bag. And for two, the amount of candy I bought wasn't enough. So we ended up having to go to Target that night and buying more candy. But we weren't really gonna be home, none of us, until later in the evening. So we really didn't need that much candy.
Under the lights.
Alright, so that is the end of my video, guys. Don't forget to check out the Grove link down below if you guys want those special goodies for free. And then also, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Bye.